Power through tire changes and garage repairs with reliable lifting strength that doesn't break your budget. Best floor jack under $200 delivers solid performance, durability, and safety for everyday automotive tasks, giving you confidence to handle maintenance without overspending or compromising on essential lifting capability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Maxority Dual Piston Floor Jack. The Maxority Dual Piston Floor Jack stands out as a highly practical option for users dealing with low-clearance vehicles. Its extended reach and ultra-low-profile design make it especially suitable for sports cars and modified vehicles that standard jacks often struggle to access. The rapid pump technology is a key advantage, significantly reducing the number of strokes required to lift your vehicle, which translates to faster and less tiring operation during routine maintenance. Built from high-strength steel, this jack delivers a sturdy and durable performance that can withstand frequent use in both home garages and more demanding environments. Safety is also well addressed, with a built-in safety valve that helps prevent overloading and a stable lift saddle that keeps the vehicle securely in place. The overall construction feels solid and reliable, giving users confidence when working underneath their vehicle. While it may not include advanced mobility features like premium caster systems, its core lifting efficiency and low-profile accessibility make it a strong contender under the $200 range. Number 2. VEVOR Steel Floor Jack. The VEVOR Steel Floor Jack offers an excellent balance of strength, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a solid choice for a wide range of vehicles. With a 3-ton lifting capacity, it comfortably handles cars, SUVs, and light trucks, making it suitable for both casual users and automotive enthusiasts. Its lifting range is particularly impressive, starting from a very low minimum height and extending to nearly 20 inches, ensuring compatibility with various vehicle types. The dual parallel pump system enhances efficiency by allowing the jack to reach full height in just a few strokes, saving time during repairs or tire changes. The heavy-duty steel construction adds durability, while the inclusion of steel wheels and swivel casters improves maneuverability across garage floors. Additional protective features like the rubber saddle and foam handle bumper help prevent damage to your vehicle during use. The long handle also provides better leverage, reducing the effort needed for lifting. Storage is made easier with its detachable handle design.
Number 3. LARBANKE Carbon Floor Jack. The LARBANKE Carbon Floor Jack is a well-rounded lifting solution designed for both home mechanics and light professional use. With a 3-ton capacity, it provides sufficient strength for most vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and small trucks. One of its standout features is the dual-piston pump system, which enables faster and smoother lifting compared to traditional single-piston designs. This efficiency makes a noticeable difference when performing repetitive tasks. Its low-profile design allows it to slide under vehicles with minimal clearance, while the wide lifting range ensures versatility across different vehicle heights. Safety is clearly a priority, with load-limiting protection that automatically engages if the jack is overloaded, reducing the risk of accidents. The large rubber saddle and foam handle bumper add an extra layer of protection, preventing damage to the vehicle during operation. Mobility is another strong point, thanks to its 4-wheel system with swivel casters that allow precise positioning under the car. Number 4. AV Steel Floor Jack. The AV Steel Floor Jack is a straightforward and dependable tool designed for users who need reliable lifting power without unnecessary complexity. With a 3-ton capacity, it is capable of handling a wide variety of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its lifting range is adequate for most standard maintenance tasks, making it a practical choice for home garages and occasional professional use. Built from durable steel, the jack offers solid structural integrity and is designed to withstand repeated use over time. The inclusion of overload protection enhances safety by preventing the jack from operating beyond its rated capacity, reducing the risk of damage or accidents. The 360-degree rotatable saddle ensures proper alignment with lifting points, helping to protect the vehicle during operation. Mobility is supported by a wheel system that allows smooth movement and easy positioning. While it may not feature advanced rapid lift technology, its simplicity can be an advantage for users who prefer a no-fuss, easy-to-operate tool. Number 5. SATA Overload Floor Jack. The SATA Overload Floor Jack is built with a strong focus on safety, durability, and efficient performance, making it a standout option in its category. One of its most impressive features is the rigorous overload testing, with each unit tested beyond its rated capacity to ensure reliability under heavy use. This level of quality control provides added confidence, especially for users working on heavier vehicles. The industrial-grade steel construction further enhances its durability, allowing it to handle frequent use without compromising structural integrity. Its dual-piston rapid lift system significantly improves efficiency by reducing the effort required and speeding up the lifting process. The low-profile design makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including those with lower ground clearance. Safety is reinforced through dual systems, including an overload protection valve and a slow-release mechanism that ensures controlled lowering, minimizing the risk of sudden drops. These features make it particularly suitable for both beginners and experienced users.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.